So we have here a compound curve has a common tangent of 84.5 meter long. So binanggit naman dito, meron tayong common tangent na t, which is equal to 84.5 meters, which makes an angle of 16 and 20 degrees with the tangent of the first curve and the second curve respectively. So meron daw tayo ditong common tangent. Okay, yan ay 84.5. So hindi ito from PC to PT, ano? So ito ay from PI sub 1 o yung point of intersection ng ating first simple curve and then point of intersection ng second simple curve. So ito 84.5 meters long. So yung angle na napoproduce natin sa first curve is 16 and then yung isa ay 20. So hindi ulit natin alam kung ano yung mas malaki na curve, yung anong radius yung mas malaki, anong tangent yung mas malaki sa kanilang dalawa. So assume lang natin na ganito siya. Okay? Assume muna natin na mas malaki yung isa kaysa doon sa kabila. So the length of the tangent of the second curve is 42 meters, wherein yung 42 meters is yung masasabi nating t sub 2 since second curve yung binabanggit. 42 meters. So for the first item, letter A, ang pinapahanap sa atin is r sub 1. And then r sub 2 naman yung next item. And then yung pangatlo is just the length of curve, yung total length of curve from PC to PT. So sabihin natin, ito yung ating first. Sabihin natin, ito yung ating radius. Okay? So yan ay 90 degrees ulit. So dinrawing ko lang yung ating common tangent ng pa-horizontal ulit, nakahiga. Flat lang siya para mas madaling ma-analyze yung ating problem. Kumbaga, yun yung ginagamit nating basis do sa ibang part ng ating illustration. So ito ay 16 degrees yung angle na to. Ito ay 20 degrees. So and then yung radius dito sa side na to. And then ito yung second curve. Okay. So now we have the illustration ng ating buong problem na visualize natin kung ano yung magiging itsura niya. Okay. So itong part na to, i-add ko lang din, yan na yung I natin, which is the sum ng 16 degrees plus 20 or 20 degrees or yung I is equal to 36 degrees. So dinagdag ko lang siya. Tingnan natin kung may paggagamitan yan. So kung ito ay 20, automatically ito ay 20 din, which is yung ating I sub 2 o yung intersection angle ng curve 2. Then yung 60 na yan is yung I sub 1 natin. So we have here a T1 for our first simple curve and T2 sa ating second curve. So ito yung ating PT o yung end point ng ating compound curve and then yung starting point na PC. We have the R sub 1 na hinahanap sa A, R sub 2 na hinahanap sa B. Okay. So binigyan tayo ng common tangent na 84.5 and we know that T sub 1 plus T sub 2 is equal sa common tangent na tinutukoy. So we have 84.5 is equal to T sub 1 wala tayo. Plus pero binigyan tayo ng 42 na T sub 2 or T sub 1 is equal to 42.5 meters. So ano po ba ang next natin gagawin dyan? So meron na tayong T sub 1, meron na tayong T sub 2. Balik tayo sa formula ng ating tangent which is T is equal to R times tangent of I over 2. Substitute the values, we have 42.5 is equal to R sub 1. Yun yung hinahanap natin. Tangent I sub 1 is 16 over 2. Now we have R sub 1 na equal sa 302.403 meters. Yun po ay yung para sa ating item A. For item B, ganun lang ulit. Meron tayong T sub 2 na given. So we have 42. Ayan yung T sub 2 is equal to R sub 2 na nawawala. We have tangent. I sub 2 natin is 20 over 2. So R sub 2, pwede nyo isip shift solve 238.4 194 meters. Okay, kung mapapansin natin, tumatama naman yung mga assumptions natin kung ano yung mas malaki na radius sa first or second simple curve dito sa compound curve. Okay, so in this case, yung r sub 1 natin is mas malaki, which is 300, and then 200 lang yung ating r sub 2. Okay, and then for the last item sa ating example na ito, we have a length of curve. So L sub C lang tinatanong. So ito yung length of curve na 1, which is yung PC2, PCC, plus length of curve 2, yung PCC2, PT. So gamitin lang natin yung R, yung radius, times the angle in radians. So we have R1 na 302.403 times yung I sub 1 natin na 16 times pi over 180. So simplify lang natin, we have L sub, ay kulang pa, sorry. Plus pa pala, okay? Plus, o yung pangalawa naman, 238.194. And then I sub 2, we have 20 degrees times pi over 180 degrees. Ayan, okay na. So, dalawa yan. So, we have 167.592 meters for the length of curve from PC to PT.